Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shiba Inu Treat token. Ticker symbol is TREAT. Now this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 14th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is brought to you by Shib.io, the Shiba Inu project. And this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, the 14th, January 14th at 11 a.m. UTC time. The TREAT token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section when this token gets listed and search TREAT, and then simply just buy the token. Now, they've been tweeting out on the Shiba Inu webpage, they've been reposting information about this new token here at Shib token. You can see some information on there right at the top of the page. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here. It says, official Twitter of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Shib, Leash, Bone, Shiboshis, and the awaited treat. And then it says hashtag treat yourself. Almost 4 million Twitter followers. And then one of their most recent tweets is the deposit and trade to share competition for the treat token. It says there is 2 million treat tokens and 60,000 USDT available on Mexc Global. It's a Gleam competition. It says spread the word to win a share of 5,000 treats. Ends January 16th, 23:59 UTC time. So you can get involved with that Mexc Global competition by checking out Mexc Global's Twitter at Mexc_official, or you could find that right here on this Twitter right here. Now, before we move on any further here, what is TREAT? So it says meet TREAT, the final token in the widely popular Shiba Inu ecosystem, designed to give transactional rewards and access to over 30 pieces of advanced technology that serve as the operating system of the Shiba network state. These cutting-edge innovations include DeFi innovations, Karna, Aura, and Reputation, decentralized identity, and AI agentic frameworks, fully encryption and immersive elements within Shiba Inu's metaverse, to name just a few. Beyond its role in technology enablement, TREAT also serves as the governance token, steering the Shiba's network state innovation and marketing strategies, and in doing so, it cements Shiba Inu's status as far more than just a meme coin, revealing it as one of the world's most influential brands and a true technology powerhouse. So I do remember when they first started coming out with, the Bone, the Leash, all those other tokens. And I did videos on those tokens, you know, back in maybe 2021 or 2022 or something like that when they came out. And then now we have, it says this is the final piece here. And this one's going to be the governance token. So you'll be able to vote on proposals, decide which direction you think the project should go as a community. You know, the community is in charge in governance. So they do have an ether scan here. So the full name of the token is Shiba Inu Treat, ticker symbols Treat, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 10 billion Treat tokens. Now, it's not available on Uniswap as of yet. Now, besides Mexc Global, it will be getting other listings, so you will eventually be able to get the Treat token on Uniswap. You'll be able to get it, I believe, on Kucoin I saw. I think Gate maybe and BingX, but I would assume it's just going to be listed all over the place. So if you want to follow Shiba Inu's Telegram for updates at Shiba Inu _ Dogecoin Killer. So that was, you know, that's the official tagline. I remember when Shiba Inu came out, they called it the Dogecoin Killer. Way back in the day there. And yeah, so they have here they have the actual Twitter for the Treat token as well, at Treats for Shib. It says every piece deserves a treat. And so if you go over to that Twitter, they have 23,800 Twitter followers. It says official account for Treat token not launched yet. So don't fall for any scams of anybody trying to say that this is going to be launched. So it says, yeah, Kucoin Gates, but then it also says BitGet. I thought it was BingX, but I would assume it's going to be listed on BingX and everywhere, really. So they have a countdown basically on their Twitter, you know, like only 2 days remaining, and now it's only 1 day remaining. And so if you scroll through that Twitter, at Treats for Shib, there's going to be all sorts of links and information regarding the Treat token. So there's a must-read blog post by Shitoshi Kusama. Dive deep into the vision behind Treat and Bone utilities and Shibarium's evolving ecosystem. So there's some info here. The why would you get this token thing here? So they have blog articles there. And then they have the web page. If you go over to their web page, which is shib.io, there's a section called Airdrops. You click on that, and it talks about the treat airdrops. It says every wolf deserves a treat. You can create an account. In order to be eligible for the treat airdrop, you need to have a deposit account on BitGet, Gate, or Kucoin. So unfortunately, U.S. residents are not eligible to claim or buy Treat, it says, and you can watch a video on the webpage there. But yeah, tons of info all over the place, scattered throughout the socials, the webpage, and all these other new token listing updates. You can check out info on that. But yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about the Treat governance token? Most likely utility token in other ways too as well. But go check this token out. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.